again. Hello everybody, the people of the world. We continue with our teachings and problems around isichito, curse, break-up spells and curse spells. These teachings are not only for people who follow me or only for the believers. It's for everybody. As long as you live upon this earth, you are likely to be affected by such. Curse, break-up spells of allergies, ukuluma. Isichito sotwayi noma sembabazana, ukuluma. The break-up spell, isichito, of allergies, which comes in forms of itching and peeling skin, ringworms and skin reactions that behave like eczema. Isichito sotwayi, ukuluma komzimba, ukuqothuka kwesikhumba, sengathi uphashile, unokhwekhwe thizeni oluhambisana nemibandama, bese kuyaluma sengathi uhaqazwe imbabazane noma umahaqaza. This kind of isichito is very deadly, dangerous and fatal because sometimes it hides when you go for a hospital check. The Western specialists will diagnose nothing wrong in your body, yet it is continuing to eat you up. Untreated, it results in death after a long series of itching and pain. This mainly starts by attacking your private parts and surrounding areas of your body. It targets most sensitive parts of the body. Lesichito sibi kakhulu ngoba siqala ngokuhlasela imvamisa izindawo ezisondelene nangasese, kuya ngasezinkwapheni, mhlawumbe nakhona ngasese uqobo. Kokunye umzimba uyavumbuka, kwezinye izindawo zawo kulume, kube sekuyavela amabala abovu noma amnyama. Kokunye kuvela amabala sengathi umuntu ushiswe ngeayina, kodwa nalapho ukuluma akuyeki ukuba khona. This kind of isichito attacks can attack the softer sides of the body, places like the neck and your private parts are likely to be affected. Please, good people, read, follow us, make comments, like, subscribe and share these videos. I thank you.